This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for July 19th, 2021. Corn up a quarter, beans down 26 3/4, Chicago wheat up 5 1/4, Minneapolis up 5 to 7, and the Kansas City wheat market up 3/4 of a cent to a penny. So kind of a back and forth day. Started out very strong in the overnight session, kind of faded during the morning as the market came here. OPEC made a decision to increase production output. That's got crude oil down over $5 as we speak. The Dow Industrial down nearly 900 points at this moment and has been there much of this afternoon. Undertones of COVID vaccine or COVID uncertainty here as the Delta variant continues to ramp up the numbers here. Also concerns over some of the ransomware and admittance out of China. So just kind of a wave of story. Seasonally, this is a time frame where the markets are a little bit on edge anyways. You got hot weather in the west. You've got more favorable weather in the east, and just kind of a tug of war continuing, so it doesn't make it any easier when you got some outside dynamics. So when we look here, market consolidated in. We'll catch the crop conditions here this afternoon, and I think that really sets the tone of consolidation to higher undertone right now for the grains when you look at the ultimate chart trend. However, seasonally, this is a tough time to really extend, and with a good eastern crop, we're going to see some sell pressure on this strength. So kind of look to that $5.70 to $6 area as a key resistance. $14 in soybeans, and in our opinion, ultimately between this $9.50 and $10 in spring wheat. When you look at feeder cattle, up 175, live cattle up 7.5 cents, hog market down 117. So there too a mixed day. Hogs kind of taking it on the chin a little bit. Feeder cattle battling back as corn pulled back, and live cattle just kind of stuck in the middle. So we'll see if we can't pick up from the negative exports we got last week, or the disappointing exports, I should say, and really kind of go from there. As we look to the long term, these seasonals for grains, coming back to those for a minute, we tend to see this kind of fade from now to September, and then October we tend to turn the corner, and that could be a key time frame to turn as we start to see South American weather take shape again, and we know that they went in very dry to their off season. Also when the demand starts to pick up, and we'll see if that comes to fruition. So just be aware, a lot of volatility yet to come. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.